Hey, this is a quick video on how to do intensities for the Optima Lab. So I didn't like the user interface of DS9, so I decided to use Fiji. Fiji is a really popular image processing program for like microfluidics, and it's just a nice tool to have. If you go to imagej.net/software/Fiji, you can install it, super easy. Once you install it, you'll get the app, you can open the app, and it's relatively simple, but it does have a nice UI. Once you open it, you'll have like the toolbar. You'll see it in 1 second. Perfect. So Fiji is now open. If we go to File Open, that'll allow us to open an image, and I'll just select a photo that I took a few minutes ago outside. Perfect. Now I'm going to zoom in on a star by just hitting Command plus, and I'm going to choose an arbitrary one for now. If you hold the space bar and then click and drag, it allows you to pan. So I'm just going to go in on this relatively bright star, get really close, again, holding spacebar to pan. And then if you just click and drag, not holding the spacebar, just click and drag, it'll allow you to make a bounding box, and that allows you to select your star, and then go up to Analyze and Measure. And then this will allow you to find the area of the selection box that you made in pixels, as well as the mean intensity in that selected area. We don't really care about the min and max. And so I'm going to record these values in a Desmos that I made. If you type that Desmos into your like browser, it should work, but it's really simple math. We're literally just finding the total amount of light. So if we go back, we can see the average intensity is 119.203, and the selection area is 462 pixels. Oops. And then we want to do the same thing. You don't need to save it for the background. So literally just click in the middle and drag it over, and then go up to Analyze, Measure again. And then, it should be the same area, hopefully 462 pixels. And this time the mean is 94.212. 94.212. And then if we just scroll down, we can see the difference from the background to the star is 11,500. And so that is the kind of arbitrary unit brightness of this star. And so with that, you're done. That's kind of the end of the video. If you want to keep watching, though, one quick note is that the background intensity does change depending on where you sample. And so if you want to go above and beyond, you might be able to characterize, like, if we measure the background here, you can see the mean is 93. And then if I move it over, over here, it jumps around a little bit. But for the most part, this is a relatively accurate way to measure the intensity. So with that, hopefully that helped. Shoot me an email or a text if you have any questions.